Here's a case study from last year on a capital reserve study. We visited a 200-unit apartment building in Jacksonville, North Carolina. We walked it for half a day. We documented everything that needed changing out, from the parking lot to the interiors of the units, to the pool, to the roofs. We gave them a clear plan for the next 10 years and delivered that to the facility managers, owners, directors that were involved in that property. The case study then proceeds that when we return, what we'll expect to find with that client is that they've followed that timeline and they're able to execute on those goals. They're going to raise HOA rates, maybe raise rents, whatever may pertain to that particular property, and get for the ownership group and for the tenants exactly what it is they were after. All the improvements that they wanted in the pool, that they wanted for the parking lots, the security, the exterior lighting, the roofing, the interior finishes. There was a lot going on at that one. We helped them document exactly what they needed. Check us out at WBTC3.com.